Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are still on algebra, sorry. So if you have not viewed the previous video, you can do yourself good by going back to watch them. It's very important. So in today's video, we'll be treating algebraic expression that has something to do with having positive sign before a bracket, like in this one and in this one. So how you are going to solve it? So when you have, like as a rule in mathematics, when a bracket has a positive term in front of it, any sign connecting the terms in the bracket remains the same if the bracket is removed. As a rule, when a bracket has a positive term in front of it, that's this any sign connecting the terms in the bracket, as these terms, this is the sign connecting them, remains the same if the bracket is removed. And you know how to remove this bracket is for it to expand. So let's solve. So number one, let's solve this s plus 2 bracket y plus b. We are told to simplify. So this is something as s. So you have to remove the bracket. So this is the term connecting it. So s plus. Let's remove this bracket by expansion. So this sign has to remain 10. This becomes 2 times y is what? So you have 2 brackets y. You have to multiply each of these terms individually by what 2. We are still going to treat this in full details, like when we do factorization. So 2 times this becomes 2y. So this sign, since there is positive sign, this sign still remains the same. Like this sign becomes plus positive here. Unlike when we go over to subtraction. So this becomes 2y plus this sign, since there is positive sign in front of this. So this sign becomes plus here. So this becomes what? 2 bracket b. That's, we are using these 2 to multiply each of this term. And since there's a positive sign, this sign. So this becomes what? S plus 2y plus 2p. Very simple. So let's stop number 2. So number 2, 3 bracket 4p minus 3q plus 2 bracket 6p plus 7q. So it's still the same thing. You get. So this, there's a positive sign here, you get. So it's still the same thing. There's no visible positive sign here, but there's a positive sign. But by conversion, we normally leave it as 3. But this still sign as positive 3. So it's something you have to expand. 3 bracket 4p. Okay, let's solve. 3 bracket 4p. Since there's a positive sign here, this remains the same. So this becomes minus. So 3. Let's know this is 3. That's positive sign. There's positive sign here. So this becomes 3 bracket 4p. We're using 3 to multiply each of this term here. So since there is a positive sign here, this becomes what? Minus. This becomes what? Minus. So this becomes 3 bracket what? 3q. Get plus. We don't have space, so just bear with me. This becomes 2 bracket 6p plus 2. So this sign still remains the same. Bracket 7q. So 3 times 4 is what? 12. 12p minus, this becomes minus 9q. This one's plus 12p plus 2 times 7 is what? 14q. Hope you are with me. So what next? We are told to simplify. So this is something else. We stopped here. We stopped at 12p minus 9q plus 12p plus 14q. So column items, this and these are brothers. So 12p plus 12p. These are sisters. So minus 9q plus 14q. This plus this is what? 24p. This minus 9q plus 14q is what? Plus 5q. So you have to solve this exercise. Solve this. Number 1. If you are given something like y plus 3 in bracket h minus 2g. So solve this. Compose this video at this moment and solve it. Okay, let's continue. This is y plus 3 bracket what h. So this sign remains the same. This becomes minus 3 bracket what 2g. So this becomes y plus 3h minus 6g. Thank you. When an expression has a negative term in front of a bracket, that's this expression has a negative term in front of this bracket. This and this sign has to change. So rest of solution. 6 minus 3 bracket 4 plus 3. So you can apply BODMAS. That's this becomes 4 plus 3 is 7. But with respect to this, let's just solve. 6 this becomes 6 minus 3 bracket 4. You have to multiply each term. This minus. You have to multiply each term by what? This 3. So this becomes, let me just put these two brackets. 6 minus bracket 3. So this term has to change because of this negative sign. So this becomes minus. Now if it's positive, this sign remains the same, but since there's minus, it has to change to minus. So it becomes minus what? This sign has to change to minus because of this positive. So this becomes this 3 that is used to multiply bracket this what 3. So let me put it like this. So this becomes 6. 3 times 4 is 12. 6 minus 12. 3 times 3 9. So this and that's what? 6 minus 12 is minus 6 minus 9 is what? Minus 15. So let's solve number 2. Number 2 is what? 5x minus 4y plus 2x. So there's a negative term. So is this minus 1 though? But by convention, we leave it as minus. So this becomes 5x minus. So let's just do it. Let's just use a shortcut and solve this. Let's just use shortcut method. So this 5x minus this so we assume that there's plus there. This minus times plus is what? Minus. So that is 4y. Minus times plus is what? Minus 2x. Instead of doing all those, you expand like just shortcut. Can you still do it yourself? This minus 3 times 4, which is 6 minus 12, minus 3 times minus times 4. That's what I mean. In this is minus shortcut by shortcut. This minus 3 times 4, which is minus 12. This minus 3 times this minus 9. So that's what I did here. So this 5x minus 4y minus 2x. So what like times this 5x minus 2x minus 4y. So we stopped here. We stopped at 5x minus 2s minus 4y. So 5s minus 2s is 3s minus 4y. So this is the final answer. So exercise. Solve this. 3y minus 2 in bracket 2y minus a. So you can pause this video at this moment and try and solve this. Okay, let's solve. So this one has 3y. This times this is what? So by shortcut, this minus 2 times this is what? Minus 4y. Minus 2 times this is what? Plus 2a. So this is 3y minus 4y plus 2a. So this is minus y plus 2a, sorry. So you can rearrange it. This is done as 2a minus y. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.